dramatist. I would change situation right away. I could take a sad situation and make it happy. I had too much free space in my brain, and you know, as they say, that idleness is the devil's playground, and I wanted to fill that space by not studying things that I shouldn't study. I did a certificate course in theatre arts, and because UWI wasn't offering the degree program in Tobago and COSTAATT was offering a higher education, so I chose COSTAATT. The university took the education away from the people, and the qualification to go to university is very high, you know, and COSTAATT, as I said, is transforming communities. And the people now, like Tobagonians, are clamoring to empower communities. And COSTAATT was doing the very same thing. They chose to empower community. I wanted to prove to my children that this is no gangster thing. Don't feel because I'm a Rasta and I didn't want to further my studies as such, you know. So I had to prove to them, well, look, pick yourself up, you know. You need to be qualified. You need to make yourself marketable. I'm from COSTAATT, right? And seeing that COSTAATT is first in community tourism. So in my daily life now, from the knowledge I get from COSTAATT, I found my niche in tourism study because I started to be aware of my environment. I was secretary to the COSTAATT Village Council for years, and I started to learn how to get the media to come into the community and hear our grievances, hear our differences, and let the people around, let the world know what we are doing, how we feel about such and such. Because before COSTAATT, we weren't thinking about the media. I wanted to play a part, to see how much I could really bring out something in Tobago. Not only in COSTAATT, but every community has something that is indigenous to it in Tobago. So I want to see how much I could have bring out what is in the different communities, because COSTAATT has a mantra of transforming communities, and in the village council we were talking about uplifting our community, and COSTAATT gave me that push, that energy. COSTAATT is a good place to go in. My son always say, Mommy, this advanced level and Cape and going to university is a waste of time. In America, it's from high school to college. I would tell students, young people, all adults, whoever want to really empower themselves, to choose COSTAATT, because COSTAATT has brought the education level back to the levels of the people. You see now, with university, they take the education away from the people and put it to such level for the upper class and who class and what class. COSTAATT is a great place. COSTAATT bring the education back to the community. That's why I love COSTAATT. COSTAATT has made me a proud woman, knowing that at this age I can go and read so much books and get a degree, you know, what they call a degree, and build up Tobago.